Welcome to our comparison video where we take a closer look at two ASUS motherboards, the Prime B450M-A and the ROG Strix B550-F Gaming Wi-Fi 2. Both motherboards cater to AMD Ryzen processors but target different audiences. The Prime B450M-A is designed for budget-conscious users, while the ROG Strix B550F offers high-end features for gamers and content creators. Let's dive into their specifications and see how they stack up against each other. The ASUS Prime B450M-A is priced at just $89, making it an excellent choice for those on a budget. It offers solid performance and features without breaking the bank. In contrast, the ASUS ROG Strix B550F Gaming Wi-Fi 2 comes with a higher price tag of $189. While it may be more expensive, it provides advanced features and superior performance that cater to gamers and content creators who demand more from their hardware. When it comes to features, the ASUS Prime B450M-A offers a decent set, including support for Ryzen processors, Aura Sync RGB, and multiple connectivity options. However, it lacks some of the high-end features found in the ROG Strix B550F. The ROG Strix model, on the other hand, boasts PCIe 4.0 support, Wi-Fi 6E, and a robust power delivery system, making it ideal for high-performance gaming and content creation. In terms of performance, the ASUS Prime B450M-A is reliable for everyday tasks and light gaming, making it suitable for budget builds. However, for gamers and content creators who require more power, the ASUS ROG Strix B550F Gaming Wi-Fi 2 excels with its superior build quality and extensive connectivity options, ensuring optimal performance for demanding applications. In conclusion, the ASUS Prime B450M-A is a fantastic budget option for users looking for a reliable motherboard for their AMD Ryzen system. Meanwhile, the ASUS ROG Strix B550F Gaming Wi-Fi 2 is the superior choice for those who need advanced features and performance. Consider your budget and specific needs when making your choice. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.